Most people feel guilty when they spend money. Even when they've earned it. Even when they've budgeted for it. Even when it's on something they need or love. And the reason? We've been trained to associate spending with shame. From childhood, we heard, money doesn't grow on trees. Be careful with that. Do you really need it? So we internalize the idea that spending is dangerous. Irresponsible. A sign that we don't value hard work. But here's the truth, the 1% don't spend like this. They don't feel guilty every time they swipe a card. They don't justify every purchase. They don't second guess money that's already been allocated. Because they understand one thing, guilt is not a financial plan. Let me show you what they do instead. Right pointing finger emoji, and if you're tired of second guessing every financial decision, make sure to subscribe right now. This channel is where we unlearn the myths and rebuild your relationship with money, for good. Let's keep going. The wealthy don't spend based on emotion. They spend based on structure. Before the month begins, they've already told their money where it's going. How much is going to investments? How much is going to savings? How much is going toward joy? Yes, joy. Because wealthy people understand that money isn't just for security. It's also for experience. They don't view spending as a sin. They view it as an exchange. They don't spend randomly, they spend intentionally. Here's the key difference. The average person spends, then feels guilty. The 1% spend according to plan, and feel peace. The money was already assigned. It's not a mistake. It's part of the system. Here's how you can start doing the same. Step 1. Create a joy allocation. Pick a percentage of your income that is strictly for guilt-free living, dinners, hobbies, travel, books, gifts. Label it. Honor it. Make it non-negotiable. Step 2. Automate first, spend later. Before you spend, ensure your investments, savings, and priorities are already handled. Once that's done, the rest is yours, without shame. Step 3. Track your energy, not just your dollars. Ask yourself, does this purchase add peace? Value? Connection? If yes, it's not waste, it's aligned. Step 4. Use money to reinforce your identity. Don't ask, can I afford this? Ask, does this align with who I'm becoming? Because the wealthy don't see spending as loss. They see it as a vote. A vote for their future. A vote for their values. A vote for their joy. When you spend with intention, guilt disappears. Because it's not about how much you spend. It's about why you spend. If your financial foundation is solid, if your priorities are met, then every purchase from your joy allocation is an indulgence. It's strategy. So stop punishing yourself for living. Start structuring yourself for peace. Because the truth is, guilt doesn't grow wealth. Structure does. And peace isn't earned by depriving yourself. It's built by trusting the system you designed. So next time you feel guilty for spending, pause. Ask yourself, did I plan for this? Did I honor my structure? If yes, then release the guilt. And enjoy your life. That's not financial failure. That's financial freedom.